Welcome back, and I'm here with yet another video, and today we have Google Home Hub that we have got, which is a new device from Google. So this is going to be an addition to our existing smart home devices that we have from Google, and it was launched today, and let's do an unboxing of this device. There we go. So this is a 7-inch display, a little bigger than a smartphone. At the back we have the speakers, and it has a cloth-like texture. There is a switch here. So this looks comfortable to place somewhere on the desk or on a table, so that even if we use the smart touch, it wouldn't fall down. That's good. Let's have this cover removed. In the front we have two far field microphones and an ambient sensor. There is no camera in the front. Let's see what else we have here in the box. So this is a manual, and apart from that there is a power cord. So there is nothing else apart from this. So now let's power up the device. Now the power is connected, and let's see what comes up.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
The Google Home app on our mobile phone to get this connected. Now let's add the device. Set up device. Click on set up new device in your home. Home. Next. And now it's looking for the new device. So it's located the Google Home Hub. Click next. Cool. So now both the app and the device is showing the same code. So I click S to accept it. Yes, I am in. For the location where I would keep this device, so we already have the location set for our other devices. So we would be keeping this in the living room, and I'll choose living room here and click next. It's asking me to enter a name for this device, and I'm going to name it as Living Room Hub. So I would choose the already existing Wi-Fi. The Google Home Hub is updating with the new apps, and on this app on the mobile, I am updating all default options.
Welcome to your Google Home Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in.
Hi, how can I help?
So you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar, reminders, and more.
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. "Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple."
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, pause the TV, and monitor cameras, like the Nest Hello Video doorbell. Hey Google, show me the front door. Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness. Or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display the best and latest photos taken by you and your loved ones. Setup is simple in the Google Home app. You can also search for photos by voice. Hey Google, show me my photos from Hawaii. And aloha. What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
So this is a home screen, and if we swipe down, we can look at all the devices. So in the rooms, we have a living room. In the living room, we have living room lights, a TV, and Google Home setup. So when I say, "Hey Google, switch off living room lights,"
You got it, turning 3 lights off.
so that turns on the lights off. Okay, now let's ask Google to play some videos for us on the TV. Hey Google, play Tom and Jerry videos on TV.
Sure, playing Tom and Jerry videos from YouTube on living room display.
There we go. So my final thoughts on the device. Do we really need this device? Probably not. But is it fun to have? I would say yes.